We trim and remove all the sweet potato leaves. Cut into pieces about 15 centimeters long because when growing, climbing sweet potato plants, nutrients cannot be provided to the existing leaves. The leaves will also wither and fall, so we need to trim from the beginning to avoid the sweet potato branches losing nutrients. To promote root growth and germination of sweet potatoes when planted. After pruning, I will soak them in honey water for about 2 hours before planting in containers. Honey is very good for plants, especially promoting germination, because honey not only provides nutrition but also stimulates rooting when cutting or grafting, while increasing resistance to pests and adverse weather. To grow sweet potatoes today, I use 3 used paint cans, cutting off the bottoms to reduce raw material costs. We need to reuse the lid of the paint can, use a hot air gun to create drainage holes to avoid waterlogging for the plants when planting, and use screws to firmly fix the paint cans when adding soil to the plants.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
For convenience in care and irrigation, I use 3 discarded plastic bottles corresponding to 3 paint buckets to make an automatic watering system for sweet potatoes. We need to punch 2 to 3 holes in the mouth of the plastic bottle, then use a wet towel to connect to the holes on the bottle, so that when pouring water into the bottle, the wet towel will lead the water to each point for the plant. I really like the method of using discarded containers to grow sweet potatoes because in addition to providing nutrition, sweet potatoes are good for the heart, support the digestive system, help with weight loss, and regulate blood sugar. When planting trees, I always prioritize mixing worm castings into the soil because it is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, helps loosen the soil, and, importantly, does not harm me and people around me. Before pouring soil into the paint bucket, I will use rice husks to line the bottom of the bucket to help with drainage, provide long-term nutrition, and make the soil more porous. Remember to place the water bottle in the middle of the box and direct the towel to absorb the water evenly around so that the water is directed to each plant base. After 2 hours of soaking the sweet potato seeds in honey water, when they have absorbed the nutrients, we start planting them in the paint bucket. I would choose to plant 3 sweet potato seedlings in 3 equal positions on the paint bucket, just enough space for the sweet potatoes to grow later. With this watering system, it is simple and effective, right? We just need to pour water into the bottle. The absorbent towel will automatically lead water to the plant, avoiding erosion and uneven damage to the young plant when it is still small. With the incubation method that helps sweet potatoes absorb nutrients right from the start, after only 5 days of planting, they have taken root and sprouted well and healthily. Now I will start taking care of them. I will use worm castings to apply directly to the plant roots, and don't forget to water the containers, and we'll add soil to each container. We add soil to allow natural metabolism and nutrition.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
"35-day-old sweet potatoes are at the stage where they need nutrition to promote tuber growth, so I will take special care of them. Marine fish, especially fish products such as fish manure, seaweed, and fish protein, have many positive effects in plant care, helping plants grow healthily, increasing productivity and quality of agricultural products. I will use sea fish to care for the sweet potatoes by giving each bunch of sweet potatoes an appropriate amount of sea fish and covering them with soil to prevent insects from entering and help them decompose more easily. Then don't forget to add water to the jar so that the sweet potatoes always maintain stable moisture, helping the soil to be loose and develop large, numerous tubers. Sweet potatoes are a short-term crop that produces tubers, so after about 55 days of planting, the sweet potatoes will be green and ripe enough. I will start cutting and harvesting to see how it goes.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
In just a short time, sweet potatoes have given me many large, colorful tubers in each paint bucket. Now, I can freely harvest to prepare delicious dishes and give as gifts to relatives.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.